If you've ever run out of hot water mid-shower, waited forever for the sink to heat up, or struggled to find a system that actually fits your space, you already know how much the right water heater can matter. The problem is, not all water heaters work the same way. Some are built for whole homes, others shine in small spaces, and a few are designed to go wherever you need hot water. That's why we put together this list of the best water heaters, each one picked for a specific type of setup and lifestyle. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these water heaters aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the GE30 electric water heater. This is the best budget tank on our list. What really makes this one stand out is that it actually gives you the capacity it promises. It holds a true 30 gallons, so you're not getting shorted when hot water demand picks up. And because of that, it can deliver up to 54 gallons in the first hour, which makes a big difference during busy mornings or back-to-back showers. From there, recovery speed keeps everything moving. The dual 5,500 watt heating elements heat water quickly, so even after heavy use, hot water comes back faster than you'd expect. And since new water is fed from the bottom of the tank, temperatures stay steady instead of dropping off midway through use. And control is easy too. The adjustable thermostat lets you dial things in anywhere from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on how you like your water. Installation doesn't feel complicated either, thanks to 240-volt hardwire compatibility and standard water hookups. And durability is clearly part of the design. The anode rod helps protect against corrosion. The rust-proof drain valve adds long-term reliability. And automatic safety shutoff is built in, which is always reassuring. All of that makes it a great fit for 1 to 3 people, without taking up much space. So if you want reliable hot water that just works and doesn't stretch your budget, this GE tank is an easy choice. Number 6 is the Rene V65 IP. This is the best budget gas tankless on our list. What really pulls people toward this one is the endless hot water. Since it heats on demand, there's no tank limiting how long you can run things. So showers stay hot, appliances keep running, and overall, everything feels more flexible during busy moments. On top of that, with a maximum output of 6.5 gallons per minute, it can comfortably support multiple fixtures without feeling strained. At the same time, efficiency is a big part of the appeal. With a UEF of 0.8, the system only heats water when it's actually needed. Because of that, energy use stays controlled while performance remains strong. And since it runs on propane, output stays consistent even when demand increases throughout the home. Beyond performance, the compact indoor design makes a noticeable difference. It fits easily into tighter spaces, which is especially helpful in small to medium homes. It's also certified for manufactured homes, adding even more flexibility. And with Wi-Fi capability built in, it works seamlessly with Rene digital controllers for more precise temperature control. On the reliability side, things feel well thought out. Built-in diagnostics help monitor performance over time. Ultra-low NOx certification supports cleaner operation. And temperature comes preset at 120 degrees Fahrenheit, with professional adjustment available when needed. And here's what Eliza says. Have had this up and running for almost a year. Have had no problems, works great. It's outside and the lowest temperature it has seen is about 5 degrees. Worked great the whole time. No water pressure issues, and it gets hot very fast. 10 out of 10 recommend. So if you want gas tankless performance that feels efficient, flexible, and easy to rely on, the V65 IP makes a lot of sense. Number 5 is the Stiebel Eltron Tempra 24 Plus. This is the best electric tankless on our list. One of the first things you notice with this unit is how stable the water temperature feels. It uses advanced flow control to actively manage output. So when demand increases, it slightly adjusts flow instead of letting temperature bounce around. Because of that, showers feel smooth and uninterrupted from start to finish. Power is another reason it works so well. This model runs at 24 kilowatts on 240 volts, which puts it firmly in whole home territory. And since it auto-modulates, it only draws the energy it needs at that moment. That balance keeps efficiency high while still delivering consistent performance. And the physical design helps too. It's compact and wall-mounted, which saves space in utility rooms or closets. And with no venting required, installation stays clean and flexible. It also runs silently, so it never becomes a distraction during everyday use. I'd say using it is straightforward. The digital display shows exact temperatures, preset memory buttons make adjustments quick, and in certain installations, output can be limited to 109 degrees Fahrenheit for better control. Inside, solid copper heating elements handle heating duties with fast response and stable output. Strong warranties help reinforce long-term reliability. So if you want electric tankless performance that stays consistent and controlled, this one fits the bill. And if you want to know the latest prices for the hot water heaters discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the EcoSmart Eco 11. This is the best point of use tankless on our list. What really makes this one shine is where it's meant to live. It's designed to sit close to the faucet or fixture that actually needs hot water. Under a sink, near a bathroom, right where you use it. Because of that, hot water shows up faster and you're not losing heat while water travels across the house. Then there's the size. This unit is up to 93% smaller than a traditional tank, so finding space for it is easy. Wall mounting feels effortless. And the engineered polymer shell doesn't rust or corrode, which helps it stay reliable over time. Efficiency is another big win. It uses self-modulating technology, so it only pulls the power it needs in that moment. With a UEF up to 0.96, there's no standby heat loss and no energy wasted keeping water hot when no one's using it. Control also feels very dialed in. The digital interface lets you adjust temperature in 1-degree increments from 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Copper immersion heating elements respond quickly, and the stainless steel heat exchanger helps transfer heat evenly and consistently. So if you want fast, efficient hot water exactly where you need it, the Eco 11 is a smart, space-saving choice. Number 3 is the Camplux AY132B. This is the best portable tankless on our list. This one is built around freedom and flexibility. It's meant to move with you, not stay fixed in one place. At just 14 pounds, it's light enough to carry comfortably, and the built-in handle makes transporting and hanging it feel effortless. Whether it's camping, RV use, outdoor showers, or washing pets, it fits right into those situations. What also helps is how quickly it delivers hot water. It provides on-demand hot water at 1.32 gallons per minute, so there's no waiting around for a tank to warm up. And with a maximum output of 34,000 BTU per hour, water heats up fast once the system is running. Even better, it can start with as little as 3.0 psi of water pressure, which makes it especially useful for off-grid setups or low-pressure sources. And by the way, the setup stays refreshingly simple. It comes with a 5-foot gas regulator, shower hose, and standard garden hose connection. So everything you need is already included. For most people, getting it up and running takes just a few minutes. And safety is well covered too. It's CSA certified and includes 6-in-1 protection, handling overheating, flame failure, and low water flow automatically. And here's what Caitlin says. This tankless water heater works really well. The water pressure is strong and consistent, and the appearance is sleek and modern. Installation was straightforward, ease of installation, and the size is perfect for saving space. I've also noticed it helps with water saving, which is a nice bonus. Overall, I'm very happy with it and would recommend it. So if you want portable hot water that's easy to set up, space-saving, and dependable outdoors, the Camplux AY132B is a great choice. Number 2 is the EcoTemp A12NG. This is the best budget electric tankless on our list. This unit is a great fit for anyone who wants tankless convenience without getting overwhelmed by complexity. It activates only when hot water is actually needed. That means there's no pilot light and no energy wasted keeping water hot in the background. So performance is solid for its size and category. It's rated at 4.0 GPM with 80,000 BTU per hour, making it well suited for 1 to 2 hot water applications at the same time. That works especially well for apartments, condos, cabins, or smaller homes where hot water demand is more controlled. Now, temperature management feels straightforward and predictable. Fully automatic controls handle adjustments, while the LED display makes it easy to see what's happening at a glance. On top of that, there's an energy-saving mode and built-in child lock technology, which adds an extra layer of confidence in daily use. And installation stays manageable too. It uses standard 1/2-inch NPT fittings, includes horizontal venting, and plugs into a 110-volt outlet to power the exhaust fan and control system. And power draw during operation stays low, which helps with overall efficiency. And here's what Rich says. This is a fantastic water heater, very easy to use. Allows you to set the temperature you want and delivers it quickly. Automatically shuts down with no water flow. No manual lighting required. Looks great. So if you want an indoor tankless option that's practical, efficient, and budget-friendly, the EcoTemp i12NG checks a lot of boxes. Number 1 is the Rini RXP199IN. This is the best overall option on our list. This unit is built for homes that need serious hot water without cutting corners. It can deliver up to 11.1 gallons per minute. That means multiple showers, sinks, and appliances can run at the same time without pressure drops or temperature swings. And since it heats water only when it's needed, hot water never runs out. And efficiency is a big reason this model stands out. With a UEF of 0.98, it's designed to squeeze the most performance out of every bit of energy it uses. It runs on natural gas or propane, and it can be installed indoors or outdoors using the VersaVent system. So it gives you far more flexibility when it comes to placement. And despite all that power, the unit stays surprisingly compact. It's roughly the size of a small suitcase, which makes installation easier than most people expect. It's also ENERGY STAR certified and approved for ultra-low NOx operation, which speaks to both efficiency and cleaner performance. And of course, the smart features round things out. It's Wi-Fi capable, supports smart controls, and includes built-in recirculation with SmartCirc technology that learns usage patterns and helps reduce wait times. And here's what Doug says. Just stopped in to say I've now installed 4 of these units, and an older Rinnai as well. Excellent quality, performance, and reliability in a very, very cold alpine climate. So if you want top-tier performance that holds up in demanding conditions, the RXP199IN easily earns its spot at the top. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect water heater. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each water heater. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.